Okay, I had written down a few things about.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
One query.
Yeah.
For our students, how can a discipline play a key role in growth mindset, whether at institute or whether in a corporation?
Yeah. This word can be used differently. Discipline. I would also connect it with focus. In fact, if a person is maintaining discipline and is maintaining focus, can get much better productivity, which is in fact even learning productivity can be very high. So here there will be an issue which many people love to do is what is called multitasking. But in place of multitasking, if we can create focus, that will be a very important thing. So discipline is important. Discipline of so remember one thing as far as discipline is concerned. People like Zakir Hussain, who just died, or Ravi Shankar, who died a few years ago, maestro in their own areas. So one person was asking Ravi Shankar, आप कितने टाइम रियाज करते हैं? तो कहते हैं हाँ रियाज 5-6 घंटे तो हो ही जाता है. कहते हैं रोज करते हैं? हाँ रियाज तो रोज ही करना होता है. जो उनकी जो कंसर्ट्स होती है क्या वो रोज होती हैं? नहीं. पर रियाज तो करना ही है. एक और व्यक्ति है सचिन तेंदुलकर, उसके बारे में भाई कितना खेलना है? इतना खेलना है कि थक जाएं. कितने घंटे हो जाते थे जब वो छोटे थे? 14 घंटे फील्ड पर होते थे. क्यों? पागल हो गए? पर नहीं, वही तो पागलपन है, वही तो पैशन है, वही तो पैशन है. उन्होंने अपना पैशन डिस्कवर कर लिया था. तो डिसिप्लिन ऑफ प्रैक्टिस. Discipline, if it only means discipline with the compliance with the rules, that may be another thing, right? There some people may have some difficulty, some viewpoints and all that. They can be sorted out, but as far as rule is there, if the rule is valid, you have to follow that, right? In fact, one of the person, my classmate, it so happened that we had something like what is called a union. Union means students union. इसका simple वो था SAC, Students Activity Coordinator. उसको बहुत नाम ये नहीं दिया President of Union and all that. SAC coordinator. So one person became the SAC coordinator. There was another friend of mine who was in the team. He differed with the SAC coordinator strongly. Leader से differ कर रहे. पर उसने कहा देखो मैं अपनी व्यू दूंगा और पूरी तरह से आर्ग्यू करूंगा जब हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. बट इफ यू टेक डिसीजन, इफ मीटिंग टेक्स डिसीजन, आई विल बी 100% फॉलोइंग दैट डिसीजन. एक्शन में मैं वो नहीं करूंगा. दैट वाज द आइडियल ऑफ व्हाट इज कॉल्ड मेंटेनिंग डिसिप्लिन. ग्रुप ने डिसाइड किया है, इंस्टीट्यूशन ने डिसाइड किया है. आई कैन if I don't like that rule, I can argue for review of the rule. But as long as the rule is there, rule will be followed. So discipline is what leads to greater amount of success. More important, more than merely complying with the rules, it is the focus which is more important. If the people can maintain focus, you are going to get lot more results from your actions and all that. And it is typically called one more thing which is called the flow. इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस में एक वर्ड आता है फ्लो. और वो फ्लो क्या होता है कि जब हम एक काम कर रहे हैं, कंटिन्यूसली कर रहे हैं, शुरू में बड़ा डिफिकल्टी होती है ना. कोई भी अगर चैप्टर भी पढ़ना हो तो क्या होता है कि शुरू में देख रहे हैं, मन नहीं कर रहा, वो नहीं कर रहा, पर 10-15 मिनट में उसमें मजा आने लगता है, राइट. उसके बाद और थोड़ा और आता है, फिर दोबारा पढ़ रहे हैं, वो ही पढ़ रहे हैं, पूरा मजा आ रहा है. और जब वो फ्लो में हम आ जाते हैं तो हमारी जो प्रोडक्टिविटी बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाती है. इसलिए इसमें एक स्टैनफोर्ड की रिसर्च भी है. आजकल की जो मतलब कि हमारी जनरेशन है, यंगर जनरेशन को एक प्रॉब्लम है, और वो है कि अटेंशन स्प्लिट हो रहा है. मोबाइल है, ये करा, फिर थोड़ी देर में फिर करा, ये करा. स्टैनफोर्ड की रिसर्च में दो इश्यूज आए हैं. ये रिसर्च है, आई कैन गिव यू द रेफरेंस ऑफ दैट this leads to lowering of productivity. Number one, lowering of productivity. ठीक है, अब माइंड डिवाइडेड है, स्प्लिट अटेंशन है, लोअरिंग ऑफ प्रोडक्टिविटी हो रही है. अब दूसरा जो है वो जरा बड़े बड़े ध्यान से सुन लीजिए. इट रिड्यूसेस द ब्रेन्स एबिलिटी इन ए इफ यू कंटिन्यू डूइंग इट. Your brain's potential, your brain's capability will get reduced if you have this problem of split attention. So I would like to tell that you should have, and this is a very simple guidance, you should switch off your mobiles for a period, and you should or keep them away from you. Don't look at the this thing in another 10 minutes. अच्छा देख लेते हैं, नोटिफिकेशन आया, देखना है, वो करना है. Let me tell you, not only it reduces your productivity, it reduces your brain's power on a long term. And this is by research, Stanford's research, which is done. Right? This will be another impediment for you in your growth. Right? Okay. I thought of taking a few. Okay, any other? I thought of, before I conclude, thought of taking a few this thing, which are self-sabotaging behaviors.
That what you might have observed among your friends or colleagues or classmates, juniors, seniors, maybe 1 year each, and that's 300 odd people. And over a period of time, what attributes of there have led to what? But that is a matter of research.
Yeah.
So I'll leave it for the time being. But people who are of our age group and are still mind is active, and we don't use chat, GPT and other stuff, therefore mind is active. And they don't laugh about it because they would still love to use chat, GPT. So my question is that with AI, and increasing use of AI in diverse fields, becoming easier, it will become more expensive also as we go along because the computing power utilized will be very high. So it won't be any cheaper. But will it do something major to managerial decision making?
Okay.
Where you actually would be sort of looking at what some other manager has done, and maybe would like to follow that up. Or some AI algorithm or AI, whatever we want to call it, agents would say कि इसमें ऐसा करना है, लेबर स्ट्राइक में ऐसा करना है, जब उसको ऐसा करना है, तो आपका अपना दिमाग तो लगेगा नहीं उसमें. It will become so heavy that it's a recommendation which has come from AI powered. Actually, it is AI dispowered.
Okay. सर मैं आप ही लोगों ने जो मुझे पढ़ाया है उसी को बता देता हूँ. जब मैं आया अहमदाबाद में, क्योंकि केस मेथड ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है और वही हम ज़्यादा यूज़ करते थे, और सर ने मेरे टीचर रहे थे, और मार्केटिंग 2 आपने पढ़ाया था. आप यहाँ से जाते थे और वो लेते थे, IMI के साथ थे उस टाइम आप. तो उसमें क्या है, इन बिजनेस डिसीजन सिचुएशंस, in business decisions, in the same situation, if one type of decision has become successful for a company, in the case method we believe, we know that the same situation, because it is not physics, it is not chemistry or such other things, in the same situation, the same decision may not become successful, right? What AI currently is doing, it can be, later on it can change. What AI currently is doing is giving the similar response to everyone. Now, look at this. If suppose the same response is given to everyone, then the two competing persons are using the same strategy, same method. How will they succeed? How will they decide who succeeds, who doesn't succeed? On that, I would like to again narrate a story of ICICI Bank. ICICI बैंक के एक सीनियर मैनेजर कहीं एक बैंक के जो वो थे कॉन्क्लेव था उसमें अपनी डिसीजन अपना मतलब कुछ प्रेजेंटेशन कर रहे थे. तो प्रेजेंटेशन करने के बाद जो दूसरी बैंक के लोग थे उन्होंने कहा आपका प्रेजेंटेशन बहुत अच्छा था, वी लर्नड अ लॉट, क्या इसकी पीपीटी दे देंगे? उन्होंने कहा हाँ पीपीटी ले लीजिएगा. उन्होंने पीपीटी दे दी, पेन ड्राइव वगैरह में पीपीटी दे दी. उसके बाद एक व्यक्ति कहा आपने तो अपना सारा कुछ हमें बता दिया, तो हम भी इतने ही सक्सेसफुल हो जाएंगे. तो यू नो ICICI बैंक दैट सीनियर मैनेजर सेड, हम मैंने स्ट्रेटेजी तो दे दी है आपको, पर स्ट्रेटेजी को इम्प्लीमेंट करने वाले जो लोग मेरे पास हैं वो आपके पास नहीं है. हाउ टू गेट दैट? I can also have McKinsey doing this work for me and giving me the best advice. पर एग्जीक्यूशन में क्या होगा? एग्जीक्यूशन में, and today the biggest issue comes is in the execution. एग्जीक्यूशन में क्या होगा वो डिफर करता है, राइट? तो ये बात मैं सर, और AI में देखिए ऐसा है कि AI मैं थोड़ा सा यूज कर लेता हूँ, चैट जीपीटी से देख लेता हूँ, बट आई डोंट फॉलो चैट जीपीटी फुल्ली. व्हाई? बिकॉज in the current situation, working on large amount of information and misinformation that is available, ChatGPT is likely to give you a mix of information plus misinformation. How do you detect what is misinformation and how do you detect what is not? For that, you will have to learn it from experts who know the things. So in my area, the इंटरेस्ट एरिया जहाँ पर मुझे इंटरेस्ट है उसमें कभी चैट जीपीटी देख लेता हूँ, कुछ नया आ जाएगा, पर मैं डिस्टिंग्विश कर सकता हूँ कि क्या मैं हर जगह नहीं कर सकता, राइट? आई डोंट ट्राई टू लर्न हाउ टू क्योर दिस डिसीज एंड ऑल दैट, क्योंकि वो मेरा एरिया नहीं है, मैंने नहीं करना. तो AI इज ओके, यूजफुल, बट एट द सेम टाइम its use in business, it is right now it is happening, people are trying to do that. Like, okay, as far as code making is concerned, writing, programming codes, etc., fine, it can work. But as far as the business decisions, etc., are concerned, I would say, I would give a warning. Don't follow ChatGPT. You can follow ChatGPT from that point of view. मेरे कॉम्पिटिटर को भी ये पता होगा, तो फिर अगर वो ये यूज कर रहा है तो मैंने क्या करना है? उसके लिए मुझे अपने दिमाग से कुछ नई ओरिजिनल चीज बनानी पड़ेगी, और वो जो ओरिजिनल नई चीज बनाएंगे वही आपका कॉम्पिटिटिव एडवांटेज है. कैन आई यूज दिस वर्ड? कॉम्पिटिटिव एडवांटेज आपकी जो होगी वो यहाँ से आएगी, ओरिजिनलिटी से, बिना उसके नहीं आएगा, राइट? Okay, so thank you, sir, for raising the question and yeah, right. Okay, कुछ हैं कुछ चीज़ें जो हमें ग्रोथ से स्टॉप करती हैं, which I will call them as self-sabotaging behavior. Self-sabotaging behavior में एक आ जाता है self doubt. जब हमारे पास हम अपने पर विश्वास ना कर पाए, सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस की कमी हो और सेल्फ डाउट ज़्यादा हो और वो स्टॉप करे, वहाँ पर प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है. तो सो इफ द डाउट इज कमिंग इन माइंड, इट्स गुड दैट इट इज कमिंग, बट एट द सेम टाइम, you know, having a doubt means you are intelligent enough to see there is a negative part, right? So to that extent. But if you wallow in self-doubt, then it becomes the problem, right? So self-doubt can stop you from doubting that whether you will be able to do it or not. Thinking that perhaps you don't have that capability will stop you from taking initial steps, initial actions also. That's something you must be worry about, and you should not be. Another thing is, many of us, we are very what is called self-critical. कुछ मिल रहा है, अच्छा वो हो रहा है, सक्सेस भी मिल रही है. If not the best, you are getting, maybe you are not getting A plus, but you are getting B or B plus. Then you become very self-critical. You need to understand that in this world, the first person who should nurture yourself should be you yourself. You should have compassion for yourself, right? Instead of becoming too critical, also say, okay, fine, ये तो करा, ये गलती हो गई, पर ये तो यहाँ तो इतनी सक्सेस नहीं मिली, पर अपने को इंटरनल सेल्फ टॉक में कुछ पॉजिटिव भी बोलो, कहो इतना तो मैंने कर लिया, पहले से ज़्यादा कर लिया, राइट? उसका तो सेल्फ क्रिटिकल होना बहुत ज़्यादा वो नहीं. इट्स गुड टू बी रिफ्लेक्टिव. सी, रिफ्लेक्शन एंड सेल्फ क्रिटिकल में दोनों में डिफरेंस है. इट्स गुड टू बी रिफ्लेक्टिव बट नॉट टू मच ऑफ सेल्फ क्रिटिकल, राइट? ओके, एक और चीज़ होती है, वो है परफेक्शन. परफेक्शन में होता है कि क्या कहते हैं, हम 99% तो बहुत आसानी से कर लेते हैं, पर 99% के बाद जो 1% का परफेक्शन होता है, उसमें कई बार हम बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लगाते हैं. You have to understand whether perfection is required or it is excellence which is required. So let me give this again with the example. एक क्लास है, 60 बच्चों की क्लास है, उसमें कितने टॉपर्स हो सकते हैं? एक या दो नंबर, दो लोगों के बराबर बराबर नंबर आगे दो हो सकते, तो टॉपर तो एक या दो ही होंगे. आप ये बताइए, उसमें कितने लोग एक्सीलेंट हो सकते हैं? Each one of them can be excellent in their own way, right? So instead of seeking perfection, and which is a problem with many of the younger persons, I would say replace perfection with excellence. Seek excellence. And remember one thing, whatever is excellent today is not going to be excellent tomorrow. Why? Because expectations change. Excellence is a moving target. Right? Today you created something, it's called excellent. Tomorrow expectation is it should be better than that. And that gives the opportunity to improve yourself, to improve your working, to improve your offering, etc. So excellence is the goal, or excellence is the what should be replaced, what should replace the perfectionism. And excellence is moving target. Remember that it will not remain static. राइट, दैट्स ओके. एक और वो है एडिक्शंस. ग्रोथ अगर स्टॉप करने का वो है फिक्स माइंडसेट में, जो कई लोगों को हो जाता है और हम लोग अडॉप्ट कर लेते हैं, वो होता है एडिक्शंस. वट एवर टाइप ऑफ एडिक्शंस, आई लीव इट दैट. एनी टाइप ऑफ एडिक्शन, it can be even substance abuse, right, etc., physical or that chemical part of it. It can be non-chemical also. Addiction should be really controlled, right? That leads to sabotaging yourself, right? And one thing which I hear a lot is overthinking. Many of you would be having the same issue, overthinking. What is overthinking? Overthinking is continually thinking about something. Overthinking is like anxiety. Is anxiety a good emotion? Is anxiety a little bit good emotion? I look at anxiety as in the car, in the, not the EV type, but the traditional type. You have a starter, there's a motor. Anxiety is the starter. Use it as a starter. Will you run the car on starter motor only? You can't. Anxiety is good as long as it forces you to get into action. Because once you begin to take action, you are anxious, you are afraid of something, you are worrying about something. Okay, that's a negative anticipation. It is giving you an idea कि कहीं कुछ गलत हो सकता है. पर वो जो गलत हो सकता है उसके बारे में हम क्या करें? हमें प्लान करना है या हमें एक्शन लेना शुरू करना है. So anxiety is good to start with as a starting point, but anxiety is not on which you should continue, right? So overthinking में भी यही होता है. वो you are thinking a lot about it. Think करो, ये मुझे लेना है, ये मुझे करना है, पर क्या है, कैसे ले पाएंगे? एक्शन से ही ले पाएंगे. तो एक्शन शुरू करो, राइट? रिप्लेस ओवर थिंकिंग बाय एक्शन. और जब एक्शन लेना शुरू हो गया तो ये ओवर थिंकिंग अपने आप ही नीचे जाती रहती है. बहुत सी चीज़ें कहने के लिए, बिकॉज आई डू ए लॉट, आई डू ए फुल 30 आवर कोर्स ऑन दिस पर्सनल ग्रोथ. तो ये कुछ चीज़ें थी जो मैंने सोचा ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है जो मैं आपसे बात करूँगा, राइट? ओके, सो आई विल स्टॉप एट दैट एंड अगेन few minutes for the how much now we are getting close to our end time. Oh yeah, yeah, so one or two questions, queries I can take. Anybody would like to speak? Okay, so last point, ability to speak up. You pass out from this institute, right? You get a job. In future, in the job, how will your talent be recognized? Will you keep showing your certificate? मेरे को गोल्ड मेडल मिला था जी, मेरे को सिल्वर मेडल मिला था, मैं इस चीज़ में A+ ग्रेड था. None of that. All that you will be able to impress others and tell or showcase yourself is by what you speak up. So it's good that one person at least spoke up and asked a query. Others have not taken the advantage of this. Frame up your thing, speak up, stand up, take initiative. That is one of the most important thing for growth mindset. Putting your best foot forward, right? Shall I close at that? And thank you very much, right? Okay.
Especially Mr. Kaushal, because this event has made us meet after many decades, and how fresh it looks still. Why does it look fresh? Because you come from an environment, educational environment, where your bonds are lifelong. Yesterday, students become mentors afterwards, right? Also. And you cannot learn things of this sort outside your classroom situation, actually. You will not find dozens of faculty who have got hundreds of years of experience coming and sharing their thoughts with you. And the only way you can learn more from them is if you ask questions. Otherwise, the lecture will stop after half an hour, 1 hour, or so on. I'm sure a lot of questions come to your mind. What surprises me is as follows. As I go to YouTube and we put up our programs also, our students don't raise anything, don't write anything in the comments. Nothing at all, positive or negative. And there is a next door program which has just come of somebody from Stanford or Case Western yesterday I was seeing and so on. And there are not hundreds but thousands of comments. Maybe 4 or 5% will not be very nice also. But there is a debate which has developed on that topic. For example, the new fresh sanctions on Russia, or what Trump is going to do, what the tariffs are going to do, India is going to benefit or lose, etc., etc., etc. And, people are writing from Vietnam and they're writing it from South Africa and so on and so forth. And you immediately have a international perspective. And you're yourself participating in it, and these thoughts are coming to your mind, which might even be difficult to ask those questions in the classroom because a faculty member may not have the whole stretch of knowledge as these 100 people are sharing, right? And they're sharing it from. And I find that this group at Mary does not utilize this feature. Hence, we should do something positive. This program, we will do the editing and all that, we'll put it up. We'll put it up in our internal YouTube. Kindly comment, kindly ask questions. Whether it's faculty X or faculty Y or Mr. Kaushal who answers it, let's develop a debate because this is a subject which is a lifelong subject. There is no end to it. In terms of personal growth, in terms of growth opportunities, you will have successes, you will have failures, this is part of the life, right? And how to cope with them and how to learn from them on both sides is an issue which just keeps on going on for all of us. Now, whether it's a Swamiji or we go to Gurdwara and talk about it, somebody else, psychologist who talks about it, in the end it is about happiness in terms of what you're working and how you are first successful at the personal level, then how you are successful as a human being, as we saw yesterday also. Completely changing from corporate sector with lakhs of rupees of income to something which is social effort, and still your management knowledge is required. So let me finish it there to say that we have already developed about 300 videotapes, and I find that the interaction is not there. You must utilize this facility. After a senior person like that has come, and it will be only for a short while that they will be able to interact. Though, of course, we would like to persuade him to run a complete personal growth lab. And their group in IIM Ahmedabad had an advantage that the person who really almost initiated this work in India, the late Professor Pulin Garg, and then Indra Parekh, who later on became Vice Chancellor of this Soil Institute in Pune, is that they were the pioneers in developing this methodology. Of course, there is something to learn from outside also. And Mr. Kaushal is one of those who has learned this and used it in entirely different kinds of corporate contexts. So if you take interest, then we will be able to persuade him to come because money is not going to be a persuader for him. People taking interest in it will be persuaded. Right? So please help us and help yourselves. Thank you very much for your attention. At least you have come. That's great. Thank you.